Bruce Mobile. All right, y'all. So we have here today a 2019 Freightlinler Cascadia. We're here back at our yard over on the east side. Our two other tractors that we service are down there. We got our buddy with the Volvo down there, Nigel. So we're slowly making our way around this place. Our name known around here because the guys, this is all part of the same trucking fleet. Well, I guess it's pretty much a fleet. They have a few trucks out here, so pretty much they like the work that I've been doing. So we're gonna try and help the other guys out here for the most part. Yeah, so 2019 Freightlinler Cascadia. We're gonna do a service on it. For the most part, it's pretty similar to most of these DD13 engines are for the most part the same. Yeah, oil filter, they're all on top. Fuel filter here, two piece. We got our fuel water separator, which we're going to change. Then we're going to grease the truck, do a general walkover inspection, and that's pretty much the plan what we got for this one. This one looks like it's a lot easier to work on. Looks like the engine is more out from underneath the cab, so that's a plus. So you can pretty much get to everything. And yeah, so let's go ahead and perform service on this one and try and keep bringing the clientele, man. Keep these guys happy and keep them running. So that's the plan. I'm already starting to see a few little things that we need to address. A little coolant level, fuel injector rail is leaking a little bit. Well, no, yep. Well, we got disc brakes on this thing, so let's get to it. Could use some shock absorbers. We see them leaking already. So yeah. It's a newer truck than what we've been working on compared to his other ones, but they're all pretty much very similar in design. So yeah, let's start this PM service. Fire right up. Let it run. It's circulate, take the oil again, grease it, and we for the most part done. Coming right along. We smoking, baby. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna replace his quarter fender here. Look like it got broken off. Quick little one bolt, quick repair. That's all it takes to pretty much take it off. And just slide this broken piece on. Here's our new one. And just slide this one on.
Dang, that is cheap.
Yeah, pretty cheap, right? Pretty cheap. So is this the same size ring? This is a totally different size, looks like, and everything. Let's see if it'll open up wide enough. I think the same one that's on here. Let's see if we can make it work. I guess it is the same one. It just looks a lot bigger for some reason. You guys around the truck. This one is different though.
Is it going the right way?
It must be new and improved.
Think these big trucks, they would use cheap things like this.
Yep, that one's on the house, guys. I just did that for you know, courtesy. It's my first time dealing with this guy, so I'm gonna give him a warm welcome. Yep, we got a list of other repairs coming up on this one, so I'm gonna have to inform him on that and see what he wants to do. Also got a check engine light on. I think I want to scan that just to check and see what it looks like, and get a quick little health report. We'll be out of here. That's pretty much it for the service goes. Service is done. He wanted this put on. He mentioned a mud flap, but I don't see it. I thought he must have wanted me to pick that up too, but I'm gonna have to get with him and see what he wants to do about that.
It's that one on the right side.
Yeah, that one on the left side. So right here. The corner fender is different too, though. But this one looks better. Anyway, that's it for this one, right? We did everything.
Yep.
I don't want to recheck the oil though. This shit perfect.